Did you want to download a Kick.com stream VOD, but you have no idea how to do so? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to do it. It's super simple. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. All right, so first things first, what you need to do is go to this website that will be linked down in the description below. Kick.com does not have a way for you to download VODs directly, so you will have to use a third-party software or website like this one. Super simple, does not take you any more than like a few minutes to set up, and it's completely free. So what you need to do is obviously sign up over here on this website. You just create an account, takes you a few seconds. You can use Discord, Google, or just, your email. Once you do that, I'll show you what to do next. All right, so once you've signed up, it will say connect your Kick channel. So what you'll have to do is click on link new account or enter invite code. I think this is the easier way. So we click link new account. And then what you need to do is open up this kick.com /kickbot account. You open that up and then you go in and type this verify command right here. So let's do it. All right, so once you open up this Kickbot profile, all you need to do is go to the chat over here, and then it will open up the chat on the right. And then what you need to do is verify, and then the numbers you copy, and then you go to the chat and you just paste it in right over here. So you go in, you click paste, chat, and then it will verify your account. Once you've done that, you need to add a Kickbot as a moderator, and then it says here, you click on here, it opens a new tab. And then over here, you go and click add new to the moderators and you search Kickbot. It will be verified, so you can easily spot it. You wait a few seconds for it to load. And then once it does, it will show the Kickbot verified account. So over here, you will see Kickbot verified account. You click on it and now it is added as a moderator. You click add. And boom, it is a moderator officially. So what that does, obviously, is make Kickbot a moderator. That way we can use all the other tools on the website. Once all the steps are done, all you need to do is click verify. You wait it out a few seconds. If you've done everything correctly, it will say account successfully linked. Boom, you're done. And now you have everything over here. So now that you've done that, you will see a bunch of different things. But in today's video, we will only focus on the VOD downloader. So on the left side, you can notice the VOD downloader button. You click on that, and then you will see the Kick VOD URL. So what you need to do is get yourself your own Kick VOD URL, paste it in, choose a download resolution, and then download it. So if you want to know how to do that, you go to your own page or any other page, go to videos, and then find your own Kick URL. So I'll go to my recent VOD over here. It will open up, and then you can see that I have my URL on top. You just copy paste your URL, your link, you go back to the Kickbot app, and then you paste your own URL. Once you've done that, it will show that VOD preview on the right, so you know you're downloading the right video, and then choose the download resolution as whatever resolution you want. Since I stream in 936p, that's the highest resolution. If you stream 1080p, you'll be able to download 1080p. You click on that, it automatically download new VODs. If you want to download every single VOD once you've done streaming, you can enable this. If you don't, you click on download, and it will download the video itself right there. It will add it to the queue, and then it will download it. If it takes a bit longer, that's because you're in a free version. If you want to speed it up, you can get the premium one, but I don't really think you need it. Just wait it out, put it overnight or something, and let it download in the background. And that's pretty much it. You can also do the same for clip downloader on the left side as well. You basically do the same thing. You get the clip URL, you put it in, you download it, and you can download both VODs and clips easily without any issues. And that's basically it. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop the like. It would mean the world to me. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. If you want to see more of my Kick videos, make sure to check this one right over here. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.